Guys, welcome to my vlog. How do you feel if someone have a miserable life and you have a good life? Do you feel good? Do you feel happy for that? Because other person is suffering? For me, I cannot continue smiling if someone dying hunger for this freezing cold weather. Mahirap magsaya, guys. It's difficult to be happy, yes. Alam mo, ako, I'm the type of person that I'm a simple happy person. Even the small amount of money. But you know what? Destroying the person because I'm here in your country and this is your country you're fighting for. I'm not stealing your country. If you don't mind, all people here, especially the foreigner, they have their own country where they came from. And you know what you need to do is respect so many people here in this country. Accept what kind of culture they have and embrace them if they enter to your country. But you know what? Since in the beginning, I never experienced this. I think I experienced short time only. And then all of years is worse. But the worst is, I cannot make my daughter cry because I want to go back to Philippines. Every time that I see my daughter, she's happy, hugging me or, relaxing to lie down to my shoulders. I feel happy too. But you know what? Every time that they're treating me bad, honest is, my heart is broke because people destroying me or make me sad. They don't care if I feel bad because of them. Alam mo, it's not easy to be like this. It's not easy to live in this country. Imagine, wala akong heater. I don't have heater here inside. Here in, except that one, that. Yeah. Do you remember that? Yes? Kasi dapat, ayan, gumagana. Yan. Dapat gumagana yan. Dapat yun gumagana yan. Pero may pinatay at hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-turn it back. Dahil Mons always do that. Diba? Imagine, malamig na sa Denmark. Magwi-winter na. Diba? Magwi-winter na. Autumns, winter. Paano ka dito hindi sasakit ang ulo mo? You know what, honestly, I feel headache for so many problems here in Denmark. So many problems, guys. Parang hindi lang talaga simple. Kasi ang buhay sa Pilipinas napakasimple. Simple lang, pagkain simple lang, pero nandyan yung family mo. I'm the type of person that I growing up with biggest family in Philippines. And you know what make me happy? My family. Because they are always there for me. Yes. But you know what? I try to go back here. I'm hoping that I can have a silent life. But they treat me the same. The same. The same, guys. The same. The same like before in how many years? Honest is, my heart is broke. Yes. My heart is broke. That, I experienced like this in how many years. But, someone said that you need to go out to this country. You need to go back to Philippines. It's easy to say that because you are not in my situation. Do you think that you can travel going back to Denmark if you are there in Philippines without money? I cannot fly using broom. Yes. Broom or groom? Broom. Alam mo, I feel confused about the two words. Sorry. If I think too much, yes. Hindi ako pwedeng magsakay sa walis tambo, walis tingting, to fly going back to Philippines. How can I do that? I don't have wings. Yes. Hindi ako pwedeng lumipad na parang eroplano. Na kapag gusto nyo akong sipain palabas ng country nyo, ganun-ganun na lang. Sa totoo lang, yung magstay sa country nyo, it's boring. For me, it's the most boring. I experienced that last year that I've been there for you know what, honestly, I want to stay in Philippines for good. For good, guys, yes. In 7 months that I'm there, I feel very, very happy with my family. Lot like, you know, thinking not too much about money, not stress all the time. Happy ever. Yes. But you know what, if I remember or go back to think about, you know, my past when I was high school, my life is like that. Go to the disco, make for fun with, you know, friends, cousins. Yes, that's my life. But you know what, if I'm thinking that, you know, oh, I'm away to my daughter and it's hard for me to do that. Very hard. But you know what is the worst, worst happen in my life that it's not easy to accept? That I'm so far away and then my family is there in Philippines and then I have Janine only here in Denmark and no one care of us. No one. No one, guys. Hindi kami chicken. We are not chicken that if you want to what do you call that? Pushing away so they can fly. We are not a bird too. Sana naman guys, isipin nyo rin yung sitwasyon ng tao. Kasi kung hindi nyo kaya na wala kayong pera, wala kayong matakbuhan sa countering ito, ganun din ako eh. Kung ikaw may puso ka, may puso rin ako. Minsan tinuturuan nyo kasi ako maging masama. Kaya natututo na rin ako magkwento ng katotohanan. Sa kabila ng mga kasinungalingan na gusto nyong gawing secret lagi. Gawing secret lagi. May sikreto pa ba sa mga ginagawa nyo? Na pangbababoy sa pagkatao ko? Natutulog ako dyan, sinisilipan nyo ako. Tama? Tama ba yung ginagawa nyo sa isang Pilipina? Nagkaroon ng tatay ko ng maraming bahay na maliliit, made of bamboos. But no one do that to me. No one do that to my siblings or to our families. They respect us in Philippines, yes. But if you meet one of my neighbors that they make trouble to destroy my name, it's not my fault, guys. It's not my fault if they feel jealous to me. It's not my fault if I achieve what I want to achieve, even in a small kind of achiever in life. But you know what? I'm the type of person that even that I'm not rich, I'm contented to be me. I'm contented to I have what I have. But please respect me. Just give me a help, assistant going back to Philippines alive. Because my family send me to the airport alive. They will wait me or embrace me alive in Philippines, not dead. Yun lang guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.